Hello everybody, welcome back to as well. You have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and customize your LinkedIn URL. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what we're going to do, we're simply going to go ahead and first access our LinkedIn app on our mobile phone. Once you have done so, this kind of interface is going to look like here in the home section. Afterwards, what you're going to do, we're simply going to go ahead and tap on the person's profile, tap on the profile again, and tap on this a pencil icon that will be given beside the profile. Go ahead, scroll down, tap on this option called contact info, which includes add or edit a profile URL, email, and more. Go ahead, tap on it, and this will give us this kind of interface where we're gonna see this indicates acquired. So this is our profile URL which we would like to customize, right? We're gonna go ahead, tap on it. This will redirect to us in our browser section with this particular link itself. Afterwards, we're going to see this edit your custom URL. You can go ahead, tap on this pencil icon, and you can edit your URL just the way you want over here. Once you have done doing that, you can tap on the save option and your changed URL will be done. It's customized and it's saved. You can cross that out and tap on the save option afterwards as well, and now the changes that you have made to your profile will be saved here in this section. So this will be it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.